One of y'all boyfriends last week asked me did I know how to make smothered turkey wings, so I thought I'd share my recipe.
Women don't fall for it. She lied. She's just trying to get you mad.
Welcome to another video, Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya.
Okay, cooking with Kyle, let's talk about it. Ladies, can't men have anything? I mean, you tell us that communication is key and that you want men to feel more vulnerable and be able to directly say what's on their mind, you know, share with you the things that we want. You assure us that it's a safe space, that we can trust you. And then as soon as we do express the things that we want, it is met with hate, with shame, with insults, contempt. What? This is the modern century. I don't have to cook for you. What about what I want? Why can't you cook for me? I'm not gonna be barefoot and pregnant for you. What? I'm not gonna be some maid for you. Do you want a maid? You could just as easily buy a maid. Why do I have to be a maid? Is it so crazy that men just want to come home to a home cooked meal by somebody who loves them, knows all the preparation and love and care that went into that food? Is that so bad? That's never going to change, ladies. And this brings me back to Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya has been making the rounds on social media, amassing so much love by men.
Welcome to another video, Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya.
And so much hate by women.
I'm sorry, but I do not like this little Cooking with Kaya hoe. I was on the phone with this dude the other day. He got saying, Cooking with Kaya, Cooking with Kaya. Don't be saying that on my mother phone. But make it even worse, I can barely cook. I might be able to cook a little cornbread and a little cabbage, but all that, I can't cook like that. Then you got the girl dancing while she cooking. Like, girl, you was doing that for no reason. Like, it would have been cool if the girl didn't have a dump truck. My man is not allowed to watch Cooking with Kaya, period, point blank. I don't care.
And I really don't see how. She seems like a lovely young lady. I mean, just look at this.
1, 2, Kaya's coming for you.
See, I'm terrified already.
Wake up and make a man some breakfast before I do.
She got me Mally and Low. She got me Mally and Low. She got me Mally and
Okay, so I'm beginning to see where all the jealousy is stemming from. This girl is nasty. If it's not the whipped cream in the mouth with the tongue sticking out, she got these little piercings on her lower back just to guide your thumbs so you know where to grip when you're having fun with that cheap clapping action.
Baby, you better get in that kitchen and feed your man before he be coming over Kai's house for dinner. Welcome to another video, Cooking with Kaya. 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 Cooking with Kaya.
Oh, she welcomes the hate. She welcomes the haters. She's been listening to that Cat Williams special. You ain't doing nothing in life unless you got haters, man. You need to accumulate double the amount of haters you have by the end of the year. Okay, who could be mad at that? This girl comes with her own theme song. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with... I mean, it's catchy. What she's doing with her branding is phenomenal, and I feel like this is all happening by accident. Ladies, if you haven't gotten it by now, men are really simple. We do not ask for much of you. We like a woman who will cook for us, shake a little ass, puts effort in her fitness and beauty, and do all this enthusiastically. Is that crazy? Is that much? And I get it. Some of y'all don't know how to cook. Some of y'all are just mad at her because she's highlighting all your shortcomings. You don't know how to cook. Just admit that. Or else you wouldn't be this mad because she's really not doing much. She's just shaking a little ass and cooking. And y'all can't stand it. Y'all cannot fathom why your men have her on their timelines. I, learn how to cook. We get it. We get it. You didn't grow up. Nobody really taught you how to cook. Learn, learn. Because I bet you, if you had kids, you'd learn how to cook. I bet you already cook for yourselves. So what's so hard about cooking for your man? Right? And I mean for your man, not just because y'all both hungry so you'll cook anything. I mean you put some love and care into the meal. You thought about your man as you were cooking the meal. You thought about his reaction, the look on his face when he's enjoying your food. You put some serious consideration in that. And oh, he's going to be able to feel it and he will be so grateful. And if he isn't grateful, dump that guy. You know, your talents are being wasted and you should use it elsewhere. But you should be with a dude who's appreciative of it, who will be appreciative of it and trust you more often than not. You put a plate of food in front of me, in front of any guy. Oh, you will tell. You will be able to tell. If they're not saying it, that's because they're busy stuffing their faces. And guess what happens next? We eat what's off your plate, and then we go and eat what's in between your legs. It's guy math. So keep a healthy pH balance. Please, please. All in all, you're going to hear women online say that she's a pick-me, and, well, what's so wrong about that? Pick-me's get picked. Pick-me's get picked. Ladies, do you not want to be picked? Do you not want to, I don't know, like, get married and fall in love with someone and have somebody to wake up next to for the rest of your life? Is that so bad? Is it so bad that maybe I should I don't know, work on myself a little bit, change up my attitude and my view on traditional wife values, and maybe like conform a little bit to get what I want? I mean, it's not like the dude's doing anything to make himself into the man that you want. No, 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 nothing at all. They just come. They just show up. They're everything that you want them to be because that's just who they are, right? You've never had an issue with finding a man because they're all the same and they're all perfect, right? Right. It's not like some men had to like really work on themselves, right? Or or are more competent than others, right? Or more caring than others. No, no, nothing of the sort. Ladies, men work to be pygmies. It's a little bit more discreet. There's a swagger to it. The man's gonna come off successful or just very ambitious. You know, that's a man being a pygmy. Okay, so if we have to put up with what women want, why can't you put up with what men are asking of you?